Telpo TPS900 handheld intelligent terminal adopts intelligent Android system. It can be applied to different application scenarios and realize smooth connection with different application platforms. Industry-leading 5.5-inch HD full touchscreen adopts quad-core high-performance processor. Supports swiping various cards, including magnetic strip card, smart card, NFC contactless card. It can be applied to different scenarios such as banking, transportation, and loyalty program, etc. Industry-leading high-speed printing, 60 mm per second, fingerprint scanner, fast and secure payment, HD camera, fast barcode scanning, and clear portrait shooting. Support 4G, 3G, 2G, dual SIM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and many other communication modes. GPS, compass, GLONASS, and Galileo. Super high capacity battery continues working for more than 10 hours. Perfect SDK provide convenience to customers for secondary development. Provide TMS terminal management system. Customers can conduct an all-round management on the terminal. EMV, PCI, PayWave, PayPass, TQM, CE, BIS, ROHS, FCC, complete qualification certifications. Telpo POS covers all basic necessities of daily life. No matter you have a cell phone or bank card, just easily swipe, scan, or press your fingerprint. Payment can be done very fast and convenient. Telpo takes technological innovation as a motive force, integrating perfect designs and intelligent functions on TPS900. Telepower Communication Company Limited was formed in 1999, and it was listed on the NEEQ in 2015. Telpo provides all worldwide customers with integrated solutions of converged communications by upholding the mission of integrate intelligence and communicate infinitely, and rely on powerful R&D strength. Telpo products are sold to over 100 countries and regions in Europe, America, Asia, Africa, and Oceania. Has a good reputation in the market. Just in few years, electronic payment groups out of nothing and from wire to wireless. Every process is a milestone of the times. Telpo owns a research and development team of 18 members, having rich experience in ODM customization. We have successfully completed various ODM custom projects for over 100 customers from more than 30 countries.
How to make the perfect Telpo product. Climatic test. Telpo products are strictly tested according to REC 68 to international standard, no matter high or low temperature and humidity. Telpo products can adapt to all kinds of bad conditions according to the working and storage environment. Printer life test. Our products can withstand 50 km long-lasting continuous printing test to ensure the print is reliable. Vibration test. The product is subjected to vibration test of 3 shifts of X, Y, and Z for more than 2 hours, and no damage at all. Button life test. Through 500,000 times continuous pressing key test to ensure the durability of keys. Through 500,000 times continuous inserting card to ensure the reliability of smart card reader. Through 400,000 times continuous swiping card test to ensure the reliability of magnetic stripe card reader. Through 100,000 times continuous NFC card test to ensure the reliability of contactless card reader. Drop test. After 1.2 miles drop test with 3 times on 6 sides, the screen display and functions to operate normally. ESD test. In the 4 kV contact and 8 kV dead discharge tests, Telpo products have excellent anti-static ability. In the burst immunity test with 1 kV, 5 kHz in 1 minute, the performance of a Telpo product is not a bit at all. Lighting surge test, Telpo product can withstand the 1.5 kV surge test on the power input, and every function of the product is still stable. Telpo carries out agent tests for each product and makes 3 months long period pressure verification to ensure products can meet the long-term stability. Telpo has various international famous testing devices such as FIME and the ability to develop independent financial NFC devices. Telpo provides the whole solution and service for all kinds of financial terminals, including design, production, certificate, etc. Telpo R&D has rich experience on designing products according to PVOC EMV. We also focus on ODM service for customer LTE RF test. Telpo possesses various wireless integrated testing and network analyzer. Our professional RF engineer team will make sure all products comply with standard. Only high quality can achieve good reputation. Telpo rely on strong R&D strength and excellent product quality. We'll continue to move forward in the intelligent hardware customization service. Telpo.